Pass to Parma. No good. Rebound by Mike Miles. Pass to number 8. Number 8, nagkita pagpasan to number 29, to Andres. There you go.
Okay, bola na mo.
Save ball. Out of bounds by number 23. Inbound by number 8, shot clock 13, number 29, no good. Rebound, shot clock down to 14, number 31, no good. Rebound, number 15, spin lane. Nagkawat kay offensive foul by number 15.
Isa, one down, one down.
Ilog.
Maglabay ganda yung piyo.
Number 23, Parma.
Maglabay na yung piyo.
Pass to number 16. What happened there? Foul. Foul number 29. Apa?
Maglabay na yung piyo.
First and first. Running niya. Good na, good.
Uy, kung foul, stop, uy. Say running.
Airball. Pass break to number 23. Wala.
Parma, that's the game.
Number 23 to number 16. Wala Jay. Wala. Rebound.
Ay, pagkasayang.
Connect. 2 boys.
Kabalo sa ilo. Kabalo sa ilo.
No good.
Ayun,
Pakipos-pos ka no, bay.
Pass break number 23. No good. Rebound by number 7. Parma. Shot clock down to 15. Shot clock down to 10. To Parma. Shot clock down to 5. No good. Walang yaman. Number 31. Number 31. No good. Puta. Wala. Again. Walang yaman. Pass to Parma. Parma. Rebound and dribble. Shot clock down to 15. Good. Good. Number 29, dribble. Pass to number 8, to number 31. Pass to number 8, no good. Rebound by number 23. Pass to Parma. Pumira. Na-3 seconds to 6. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 8 flipping the ball. Number 8 to number 15. Number 15, nakurakan si number 23. Number 16, flipping the ball. Number 7, connect 2 points. Time out. Elite Agricultural Supply. Score 25-14. This game is brought to you by Holy Boys.
Dala ka, half court na lang.
Time for the timeout. Back to the ball.
Parm, si Jen na yun. Sige, halap nyo ah.
Inbound by number 8.
Isa itong ipanghangag niya, yung si Jen na yun, dugang-dugang na lang.
Number 29, giving the ball. Shot clock down to 15. Number 8 to number 23. Shot clock down to 10. Number 23, pass to number 31. To use the board. Wala. Rebound by number 16. Through ball. Number 16, drive lane. Connect 2 points. Pass to number 8. personal foul and first team foul, Mark Irvin. Shot clock down to 15. Pass to John Mark. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Bulas. Anyway, wide. Number 7 to do. Number 7 to Menendez. Wala. Rebound. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. Nakita kapasan to number 23. Yeah. Out by Mr. Barber. He scored 25-16 in favor of England. Number 23 to number 29. No good. Rebound by number 23. Back to number 29. Shot clock down to 5. Number 8 for the J from American points. This game is brought to you by Rocky Tumbos. Pass to number 16. No good. Rebound by number 8. Number 8. Dribbling the ball. Shot up. Down to 15. Number 15. Going back. 2 points with a foul. Basket down. Foul number 7. Number 7. Second personal foul and second team foul. Leeway White. He scored 29-16. Bonus for no basket rebound. So that 1 point, tied 1 minute and 29 seconds for the second quarter. Shout out to Uncle Alvin Rodasa. Number 16, collect 2 points. Number 31 to number 8. Number 8 winning the ball. Shot clock, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 31. Wait to number 23. Wala! Rebound by number 23. Pass to number 23. Parma. Wala! Hinahinay na ka. Hinahinay. Oh, hinahinay na. Ay na pa. Duty yung ma. Hinahinay na. 40 seconds. Wala na ba? 35 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 30 seconds. Number 15. Wala. Rebound number 23. Connect 2 points. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15. Parba to number 21. 10 seconds. 16 to number 7. Wala. Wala more 5 seconds. Pass breaks. Number 21. Wala.